Welcome to this tutorial video on Google Classroom End of the School Year Management. I am Kyle Krenz, a Technology Integrationist with SWWC. In this video, we will cover archiving courses, copying courses for the fall, and transferring control of courses. Let's start with archiving and copying your Google Classroom courses. To archive a course in Google Classroom, you need to first access Google Classroom. Once you have signed in and have accessed Google Classroom, it will bring you to a page in which you can see all active Google Classroom courses. To archive a course, find the course box that you want to work with. From there, look for the three dots icon in the upper right-hand corner of the course box. Click on the icon and a drop-down menu will appear. Click on the word Archive from the list. A window will open that will double-check if you are sure that you want to archive this course. Click the Archive button again. Your course has now been archived. You will notice that once a course is archived, it will disappear from your active courses list. If you need access to the archived course or materials or want to make the course active again, use the left-hand side menu. Click the three lines icon in the upper left-hand corner of the screen. A drop-down menu will appear. From the list, select Archive Classes. Once you do, you will see all of your past classes you have archived. To make a particular class active again, find the three dots icon in the course box and click Restore. A window will open in which it asks you if you are sure. Click the Restore button again. The course will become active again and rejoin the list of the other active classes in Google Classroom. Next, let's look at copying a course. This feature would be used if you know you'll be teaching the same courses again in the fall. Access the page in which you will see your active courses in Google Classroom. From there, you will need to find the course from the list of active courses that you'd like to copy. Once you have found that course, click the three dots icon in the upper right-hand corner of that course box. From there, a drop-down menu will appear. Click on the Copy option. Once you do, a window will open in which you can rename the copy of the course you are creating. I suggest adding the school year dates to the name of the course as you copy it so there is no confusion later on, especially as you continue to archive more and more classes. So for instance, you might label this new class Life Science 2526. Once you have renamed the course to your liking, click the Copy button in the lower right-hand corner of the window. This course will now join the list of your active classes in Google Classroom. It is important to note that by copying a class in Google Classroom, it makes a duplicate of the assignments and materials that were uploaded into the original. However, it removes the past students from the old class, allowing you to add your new students in the fall with a fresh gradebook, but with all your class materials you have previously uploaded in it. As a final note, you can also copy archive courses as well using the same process. Just find your list of archive courses from the left side menu and follow the previous steps. Finally, let's look at transfer control of a Google Classroom course. This would be done if you know another teacher will be teaching the course in the new school year, or if you are leaving your current school district, or if you are co-teaching the course next year. To transfer control of the course, you will need to click on the title of the course you will be working with from the list of active classes in Google Classroom. Note you can do this with archived classes as well. Once the course is open, click on the People tab from the options at the top of the course page. Under the Teachers heading, click on the Add Persons icon. From there, a window will open. Type in the email address of the individual you want to transfer control of the course to. Note only email addresses from the school domain will you have the ability to input. If you do not know the name of the teacher teaching the course next school year, add your admin's email address as a teacher. This will allow them, once they make a new hire, to transfer control of the class following these same steps. Once you have added the new teachers to the course, click the Invite button. The new teachers of the class will get a notification in their email inboxes to accept access to the class. Once they do, they can remove you as a past teacher from the course moving forward by clicking on your name from the list of teachers under the People tab in the course in Google Classroom. You can find other helpful tutorial video guides like this one by visiting and subscribing to our YouTube channel, SWWC Technology Integration. I hope this tutorial video has been useful in helping you to organize your Google Classroom courses at the end of the school year and set you up for success in the fall. Thank you for your time and attention.